Hey, what's up guys? Pattay Sports here. Quick little video. We are working in the field. I just got done with work and now I'm handling a road call. You hear this beeping in the background. We have a dump trailer here where customer states it doesn't work unless it's plugged into his truck. So let's take a look at this battery. Now, before we go to repair, let's talk about a brief synopsis on how this system works. So we have this access cover here, and this battery feeds this pump and gets power to it. Now, Jason, just like your car, but actually, how does this work? So this battery, how does the battery charge itself? You see here a guy has a charger plugged into it from when it's not being hooked up and ran. But just like when you start your car, your alternator charges your battery. And the same thing, when you hook up your vehicle to your trailer, it is going to charge your battery. This is not a self-sufficient system. It needs a charging point. So once your vehicle injects power into the system, the trailer works, your battery is the issue. So we have our KINGBOLEN here. This is so nice and compact. We're going to go to in vehicle. This is very easy to use. We're going to go to a battery test. Confirm the engine is off. The engine is off. So this is an AGM deep cycle battery. The cold cranking amps are 550. See that? I'm going to click OK. And this thing is no good. So we're going to get this guy a new battery and get him on the road. Guys, so I'm going to put a link in the description where you can purchase one of these. This is an absolute game changer. Believe it or not, this could have prevented a mishap for me personally last week. This is the last missing piece of the puzzle to trying to handle a lot of maintenance on your own. Now, if you think about it, right, prior to stuff like this, the only way to check your battery, technically, is to buy really big, expensive equipment that a shop or dealership would have. People like me and you don't want to spend hundreds or $1,000 on a nice machine that's big and bulky. Nice, lightweight, and compact. And really, really expensive where you don't have an issue with it. So, all right, so I'll be transparent. So, the missus has been in the hospital. She's out now. But anyway, one of the nights I went to go see her, the car wouldn't start. Now, that could have been prevented if I would have checked my battery. Because if you think about it, we handle all our maintenance. I change the oil every year. Or change oil. I change oil every 5,000 miles. When you bring your car in for a tune-up or service, they check your battery and charging system automatically. We can't do that. We only do it when it's failure. So this is a great thing to add preventive maintenance before you go on a long trip, before you send your kid off to college or whatever. This is where it's at. That's where it's at. KINGBOLEN. Appreciate it, man. Catch you guys on the next one. Later. All right, the moment of truth. New battery installed, hooked up the right way. It's easy to get confused. Look, see, black, but it is what it is. Let's get a controller. Make sure it powers up. And then it should be gravity down. Oh, it's power down. But anyway, it works.